Like you must know, the audition is a big problem for a lot of people. Some of them struggle to hear correctly sounds or voices. So, they are worried about their audition. Best reflex is to have an appointment with a specialist to make a complete audiogram and find the best solution to help their ears. But, frequently, get an appointment is very long and so, you stay with stress during long weeks. So, how to reduce your stress and get a first answer about your audition quickly. A great solution is to use power of smartphones and tablets and make a complete hearing test directly with them. To make a simple and efficient test of your audition, hearing test has been created by S-Sorrel mobile apps and is available on Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store and enter Hearing Test Sorrel in the search field. In the list of items, click on Hearing Test Pro. Then, you can read the description of the application and see some screenshots of hearing test. Now, you can download the application. In my case, I just have to click on the Open button because I have already downloaded the application. Once the application is launched, you will see several buttons on the screen. Start Test will let you to start the hearing test. Free Tone will let you to play a tone to a specific frequency during a specific duration entered in second. You can click on Free Tone to discover this feature. Finally, the History button will let you to discover the results of the hearing test made previously. Now, you can start the hearing test by clicking on the Start Test button. The test has 12 steps and the frequency increases after each step. Click on the Play button to launch the test. You have 5 seconds to prepare yourself for the tone. If you hear it, click on OK. We make it for 4000 Hz. OK, we hear it. We click on OK. At 8000 Hz, we will say that we don't hear the tone. So, we click on the CO button. The hearing test results if displayed and on the screen you can see that our audition is the same that the audition of someone of 70 years. I think it's time to go to an hearing specialist to have a more accurate test and try to find a solution for my audition. Thanks to Hearing Test by S-Sorrel mobile apps, you will have a first indication. That's all for that tutorial. To discover more tutorials and tips on Android, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S-Sorrel's channel.